Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to make a simple number guessing project in Java. So basically, what we're gonna do is type like a number, and then if it's too high, it'll say that. If it's too low, it'll say that. We'll keep guessing until there's an actual number. We could get it right, and then it'll say, "Good job, you guessed this number in this many attempts." So let's get started with the code. Let's not leave it too long. So first we'll delete this here and we'll move on to the I over here. Okay? Next, we'll move this to line 6. This line to line 6. Actually, we'll move this to line 6 here because we need to type two things. Import java dot util dot scanner, and then we'll do a semicolon here. Now we'll copy this and do actually java.util. Instead of scanner, we'll want to type random. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next line. Now that we've done this, we'll start the code here. So what we'll do is type scanner equals new scanner, and then system dot in, and with a semicolon. Okay, next up is random equals new random. Okay, now we'll also put a semicolon there. We'll skip a line and go to line 11. Now we'll do int number to guess equals random dot next int 100. Now we'll also do +1 here, put a semicolon, and then we're done. We'll do now int user guess equals 0 semicolon. Now we'll do int attempts equals 0 semicolon. Now we'll type system dot out dot println. Now we'll do welcome to guess the number. Now we'll add this here, and now we'll paste this here again. Now we'll type guess a number between 0 and 100. Okay, now we'll go here and type while, and then put a bracket around it, and then we'll do user guess, and then we'll do this. We'll put this here. Wait, let me find it. And we'll put this, and then we'll put equals number to guess. Now let's put this here. Wait. Well, user guess. Let me fix this part here. Give me 1 second. Okay. Okay, now that we're done here, we'll go here. Now we'll type system dot out dot print ln. Then we'll do after that this, and then we'll type guess a number. And we'll actually fix this grammar mistake here, my bad. We'll put this here next. And then we'll do user guess equals scanner dot next int. Okay. After that, we'll do attempts plus plus. And then we'll put semicolon there. Okay. We'll skip that line and do if user guess sorry about that. We'll do user guess is less than number to guess. And then we'll put this here. And we'll put a space there. And then we'll do system dot out dot print ln. Wait. Okay, now we'll type too low. Try again. Now we will copy this part again. And wait, actually we'll put this here. And we'll copy this and paste this. Let's take this back to the letter if. We need to line up the wait, we'll type else if actually. We'll put the else here. And actually let's put this back and bring this back here. We'll bring it under the I. Okay? Then system.out.println to hi. Try again. Okay. Here we'll put this intent type else. And then we'll type that. Then we'll type system dot out dot print ln GG's, or whatever ending message you want to type. And then after that, we'll do plus attempts. And then we'll do plus attempts. Okay, now we'll put a semicolon there. And our code is good to go. But we need like to put this, like this is 2930. And then in line 31, it's blank. Line 32, we'll type scanner dot close. Okay, now we'll bring this down. And there we go. Now we're done with the code. So let me show you guys how this code works. Right click, run as one Java application. Okay, now it says, welcome to guess the number. Please guess a number. Now let's type like 50. Too low, try again. So if 50 is lower. So now we'll type actually 75. I use this strategy all the time, like guess the half number. And actually it's too low still. Let's go with 90. GG's. You guessed in, we'll add that to make it actually say you guessed it in 3 attempts. Okay? Okay, so that's it for today's lesson. I hope you guys enjoyed the lesson about the number guessing game. If you like this video, please don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell button to receive more notifications from my channel. So just in case anything cool pops up, you'll be the first to know. Thank you guys for watching today's lesson, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Have a great day.